So what I have for you today is a crispy pan-fried tofu in the style of Chinese takeout. And this dish is so easy to make, it comes together so quickly that it is a definite must on your to make list. So there's only very few ingredients to this recipe. All of it is going to be down below, but I'm going to start off with the batter for the tofu first. And just to help it up a little bit, I have 1 cup of chickpea flour along with 1 cup of water. But you can feel free to use something like cornstarch or even flour as well. And while that guy is resting, you just want to cut up your firm tofu into bite-sized pieces. So I'm just dipping the tofu in a little bit of batter and then frying it over about medium to medium-high heat. Just a couple minutes each side until it gets nice and golden brown and has a slightly crunchy exterior. So while the tofu drains, we're gonna quickly make the sauce, and it's just dumping the rest of the ingredients in. So I have some soy sauce, some ketchup, as well as some apple cider vinegar and a little bit of sugar. That's it, super easy sauce. And then I'm adding in about a half a cup of water so that we get a little bit of a stock going. And then cooking that for right around 2 minutes, just until everything dissolves and then concentrates a little bit before I put in the tofu. So I'm going to toss the tofu around for 1 to 2 minutes, and that gives it a chance to absorb all of the sauce. You're going to top it off with some fresh spring onions, and then this dish is ready to serve. This dish is surprisingly good for how few ingredients there are. It's kind of a little bit sweet, a little bit sour, a little bit salty, so it checks all of the right boxes. And this technique of kind of frying and having like a crispy shell and then sticking it back into sauce really works because it creates kind of a different texture around your product, and it's still able to really absorb all of that flavor. Anyways, I hope you guys have all enjoyed this really simple recipe. And as usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys all again next time. Bye.